Today, I am reviewing the NIMO 17.3-inch AI laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NIMO 17.3-inch Copilot Plus AI laptop is an absolute beast of a machine that bridges the gap between intense, professional workloads and high-end gaming. Having spent a significant amount of time testing this laptop, I can confidently say it changes how you look at desktop replacement laptops. When you first see a machine with a 17.3-inch display, you might expect a clunky design, but NIMO has managed to keep this system remarkably clean and modern. The fact that it is partially assembled right here in the United States shows in the rock-solid build quality. There are no creaks or flex in the chassis, and the hinge feels incredibly stable, holding the massive screen firmly in place. It is a premium, sturdy machine designed for professionals, students, and content creators who need massive screen real estate and zero compromises on raw computing performance. The star of the show is undoubtedly the processor. Under the hood, this laptop runs the new AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370, which is powered by cutting-edge architecture. This chip is a massive leap forward for AI-accelerated computing. Everyday tasks are completely effortless, but where this processor truly shines is in handling heavy development workloads, complex coding, and local artificial intelligence models. Because it is a Copilot Plus certified PC, it handles background AI tasks locally with incredible efficiency, saving your battery life while boosting overall system responsiveness. Whether you are rendering 4K video projects, training minor machine learning structures, or handling heavy data manipulation, this chip clocks up to 5.1 GHz and never feels like it is breaking a sweat. It manages heat exceptionally well for such a powerful processor, keeping the fan noise at a reasonable, non-distracting level even when you push the system to its absolute limits. Paired with this flagship processor is 32 GB of ultra-fast memory and a 1 TB NVMe PCIe Generation 4 solid-state drive. For heavy multitaskers, this configuration is a dream come true. You can have dozens of web browser tabs active, multiple development environments open, communication platforms running, and a video rendering in the background without experiencing a single millisecond of lag. The storage speed is blistering, letting the operating system boot up almost instantly and allowing massive project files or games to load without any annoying progress bars. Graphically, the integrated Radeon 890M is an absolute revelation. It easily outperforms older integrated graphic solutions, bridging the gap to discrete gaming chips. It handles modern gaming titles with impressive frame rates and accelerates creative software seamlessly. The viewing experience on the 17.3-inch full high-definition display is incredibly immersive. Having that extra screen real estate means you can comfortably tile multiple windows side by side, vastly increasing your productivity when cross-referencing documents or writing code. What elevates this screen from a standard office monitor to something truly special is the 144 Hz refresh rate. Everything you do on this laptop looks buttery smooth, whether you are playing fast-paced esports games, joining high-definition video calls, or simply scrolling through massive spreadsheets. The fluid motion reduces eye strain during long working sessions, making it an ideal choice for data analysts, designers, and students who spend late nights in front of their computers. Speaking of long sessions, the typing experience on the NIMO laptop is top-notch. The full-sized keyboard features a soft, illuminated backlight that makes working in dark environments like a dim bedroom or a late-night cafe incredibly comfortable. The keys have an excellent tactile travel distance, giving you clear physical feedback with every stroke. Data entry professionals and accountants will absolutely love the dedicated numeric keypad, which makes spreadsheet work exponentially faster. Security is handled elegantly by an advanced fingerprint reader integrated directly into the smooth touchpad, letting you log into Windows 11 securely with a single tap, completely bypassing the need for cumbersome passwords. Battery life is usually the Achilles heel for large laptops, but NIMO has equipped this machine with a generous 75 watt-hour high-capacity battery. Combined with the incredible efficiency of the AMD Ryzen chip, you can easily get through a full workday or long study sessions without constantly looking around the room for a wall outlet. When you do need to plug in, the included 100-watt USB-C fast charger is a total lifesaver. A quick 15-minute charge gives you roughly 2 hours of active usage, which is perfect for busy professionals on the move. Even better, this single compact charger can power your smartphone, tablet, and other devices, meaning you only need to pack one cable when you travel. For future-proofing, the inclusion of USB 4.0 technology is a massive addition. It supports lightning-fast data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, allows you to connect up to dual 8K external displays, and is fully compatible with external graphics card docks if you ever want to upgrade your gaming power down the line. To top it all off, NIMO offers a reassuring 2-year manufacturer warranty and a 90-day hassle-free return window, which shows immense confidence in their product reliability. If you want a future-proof, AI-ready powerhouse that excels equally at professional business tasks and high-end entertainment, The NIMO 17-inch laptop is an extraordinary investment that delivers on every single promise.